Just a few days before their expected launch, details about the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus, and Galaxy Tabs 10 Ultra, including their prices, have leaked online. This time, the info comes directly from Samsung. Samsung accidentally put up official pages for all three devices in the US. Although they quickly took them down, we, along with other sharp-eyed people, managed to grab a few screenshots before they disappeared. We've known most of the details about these devices for a while, but it's always reassuring when the info comes straight from the source. Along with some of the features, Samsung's website also confirmed the prices for the upcoming devices. Here are the prices for the upcoming devices. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition will start at $649.99 for the 128 gigs model and go up to $709.99 for the 256 gigs version. For the Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus, the 12 gigs plus 256 gigs model is priced at $999.99, while the 12 gigs plus 512 gigs version will cost $1,119.99. The Galaxy Tabs 10 Ultra starts at $1,199.99 for the 12 gigs plus 256 gigs model, $1,319.99 for the 12 gigs plus 512 gigs version, and the top-tier 16 gigs plus 1 TB variant is priced at $1,619.99. In North America, customers will be able to get the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition in blue, graphite, gray, and mint. There is also a yellow version, but it looks like that won't be available in the US. As for the Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus and Tabs 10 Ultra, they'll be available in moonstone gray and platinum silver. Samsung's US website has provided the final confirmation that the company is indeed dropping the base model from the Galaxy Tab lineup. Only the Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus and Galaxy Tabs 10 Ultra will be available. There's a chance a base model might be released later, similar to how Samsung introduced a base version of its Galaxy Book 4 lineup after launching the more powerful models. But for now, that's just speculation. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.